Hi. Just tell me when. Hi, Sonia. Sonia Hashmi from Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines. Where are you from, Sonia? Hi, Quick Belly. Hi, thank you so much for joining me. A country that also starts with the letter P, like your country. Yeah. Ah, Philippines. Yes. Ah, a country that also starts with the letter P, like your country. Philippines. Huh? Where? Where are you from? Peru, Paraguay, mm, Pakistan. What else? Puerto Rico, Panama. Where are you from? Pakistan. Ah, okay. Hi, Sir Craig Believe. How are you, Sir Craig? Thank you for joining, Sonia from Pakistan. Thank you for likes. So, You are pretty but also weak taker. What do you mean weekend? Hi, John Strickland. Oh, sorry. I'm just a friend, 'cause I take me the way we're meant to be. I think I've falling in love with you. I know, 'cause I'm taking you away. Taking away. I think I've fallen for you. I've fallen. Hi, what? Hi, Con. AG. Good evening. Where are you from? AG R07. Where are you from? Good evening. For you. UK, United Kingdom. Nice to meet you, sir. That's good. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the happiness. Wait lang. Whoops, here, whoops, scary whoops. Every time I see. Hello. Two people in the line. In the house. Oh my god. My hobby. Yeah. Not sleeping again, you're amazing. Hi, my love. Yeah. I'm going to sleep soon. Thank you. I'm amazing. Amazing Kwan. I think of falling in love with you. Yay. I know. Thank you to all people in the house. Thank you for likes. I think of her. How's your kiki? I'm not, I'm not, ano kuan. I'm not kuan. I'm not, I don't like the, I don't want to make a videos. The videos, like one for the big people, for spreading the lies and mm, giving the statements misinformation to pretend they clean. the, the pre- she, they pretend they clean the good, but she's not. Oh my god. When I listen to this ano to that video, my god. My gulay. The fake peoples, drunkards, drug addicts and scammers alone. The fake peoples, drunkards, drug addicts and scammers. Yeah, I don't like people. I'm patient, I have a lot of patience, but my patience is something like this. And liars. And liars. Oh my god. The videos. The videos. I don't understand why say that. My god. Maybe if she real, she don't need to change her name. She always change her name. So how how I how she true if she always believe her name. If you are real, Sir Fred, never, he never changed his name because that's a real person. But but she said that pointing other that they are lies and scammer, blah blah blah. But you are a scammer. You prove to people your statement is a liar. Oh my god, I hate people like that. She getting my nerve. The videos, yes, about all Fred viewers is coming for beer and cigarettes. Lol. Oh my god. That's why I don't understand why people something like that. So I don't understand. Oh my god. I don't something like one. I want to say, when she say that, I think she needs to prove that the pointing people, the pointing person, as because the accusation is very sensitive, something like that, something like one. Yes, because me, I'm surfer supporter, so I don't tolerating that, something like that, because my god, accusing me, something like he pointing me also, because accusing my, I don't like people like this. So she's spreading people, she's spreading hate, something like that. I think this kind of people, they also never accept the mistakes, something like one, Mike, what happens to you, to never accept the accept. And I think the story is gone. How I believe this, unbelievable, my god, life. But I think I have lots of a good Filipina woman, so just I don't believe like this, it happens. Hey, bully man, must be sleeping. Yes, maybe we get a break from bullying now. Yeah, Serpent sleeping now. And tomorrow I joined the fun run. Thank you for 10 people. How I'm Kwan. My 45 years old. Hi, Mellar time. I'm 45 years old. Is enough? Or maybe he's lurking. We better behave just in case. Something like that. Wow, you are beautiful for 45. You look 31. Ah, thank you. Miller is rude to ask a woman age. I spend shut shut up, Marco. Oh my god. Where are you from? Mbiki. What Mbiki means? Jane. Hi Jane Dolly. Hi, Jane Daly. Please be respectful to us and don't ask personal questions or else you will be gone from this channel. Thank you, my love. Someday someone's gonna love me. Someday, someday. Sleep. Oh my god. I'm ready to go to sleep now. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. Because I'm just heard asleep. Thank you so much. Just I need to go to sleep. Bye bye. Thank you, my love. My love, Mike. This- Thank you to all my viewers. 18 people in the house. Turn off brain and go to sleep. Oh my god. Come on, Pop. Thank you so much. Oh, 18 people in the house. Sorry, but I need to go to sleep because health as well. Bye bye. Love you, my love.